Hey lovelies, it's no more news that SOLIX DePin is about to launch their TGE. And if you have not been mining yet, well, let me say you still have a little bit of time to join and start mining this DePin Airdrop project. Now, you can join by the link in the description box of my video or my first pinned comment. Or if you're on the Telegram channel, you can also join by the link on the Telegram channel. And this is how the dashboard runs. All you need to do is just to make sure you have a stable data connection and log in every day. That's all. You don't need to do any other thing. You don't need to do any other thing. So this is the dashboard. If you are using a Kiwi browser like I am using, once you log in this morning or today, you're going to see this place that is showing verify, and this is just a very recent update. You see this place that shows verify. Now if you come down to your Discord, you're going to see it that they also said it here on that Discord. This is the official message this morning, just 10:37 a.m. Nigerian time. It says SOLIX verify badge is live, prove you're human and stay eligible. Quarter 3 of 2025 is coming. So this is how to do the verification. You can use your MetaMask, you can use your Phantom wallet, you can use Bybit. So just come down here and you copy this link. Now you just copy this link like this. You'll see this link on the Telegram channel if you're on the Telegram channel, or it's on the description box of this video or in my first pinned comments. So there are two ways you can do this. You can do this either in your Kiwi browser. Just come down to your Kiwi browser and then make sure you have the Phantom extension. If I come down here and click on these 3 dots just as such, you're going to see a Phantom extension. If I scroll up, you see a Phantom extension right here, and make sure you're signed in, so that when you come here and you click on verify as this, you click here to verify, it's going to ask you to add a wallet or connect a wallet, and then you can come down here and click on this connect wallet badge, and it asks you which wallet you want to use. Do you want to use Phantom? Do you want to use MetaMask? Do you want to use Bybit? There are other options there, so you can decide to use MetaMask if you want, or you can decide to use Bybit. So you can do it directly from your Kiwi browser, or to save time, to save cost, you can also do it on your Phantom app or on your MetaMask app on your device. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn on the side. I also share my no-frills commercial recipes on cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks, and so much more. So I'm doing mine directly now on the Kiwi browser. So once you click on that Phantom wallet or MetaMask, if you have the MetaMask extension, just wait for it to load and it will automatically take you to the extension dashboard. I am not using VPN. I am not using VPN. This is just going as smooth as you can see, and it is live. Now just have patience and wait for it to load. It is going to load as you can see. So this is one way you can do it. Now if you try it the first time on like your Mrs. browser or your Kiwi browser and it's not getting connected, then you can do it on your Phantom wallet app or on your MetaMask wallet app. I'm going to do that if this doesn't connect now. So my data connection was quite slow while I was trying to use my Kiwi browser, so I decided to switch over to the Phantom wallet app. So the same method I'm going to use here can work on your MetaMask. Once you are on your Phantom wallet as such, you just need to come down here and you're going to click on this icon. If you're using your MetaMask, you click on the discover icon. If you watch a lot of my videos where I use MetaMask, you already know how to discover it. Then that link we copied from that Discord account, or the link you are going to see in the description box of this video, or my first pinned comment, or on Telegram, that's the link you come and paste here and you click on search. It is called dashboard.solix.net. That is the URL, and you see that it opens here in the Phantom wallet. So you need to log in just like the way you normally log in if you're using your Kiwi browser. Click here to log in, or you scroll up and you click on login. Either way, we're going to be landing on the same dashboard. I'm required to enter my email address and my password, and I'm going to click on submit. I needed to blur some information. Once you submit your login details, it will bring you to the dashboard on your Phantom wallet or your Mrs. browser, and this should pop up. Then you're going to click on verify now, and it will ask you to verify your identity, just as I said before. Currently they have 363 verified users, so you want to do this ASAP. You click on the connect wallet just as you did on the Mrs. browser, and then you can decide to choose MetaMask. You can decide to choose any of this. So now I'm not going to come here and click on MetaMask, just as you can see, and it will ask you to connect your account. And if you have multiple accounts, just make sure you pick the right account, but I have just one account here. I'll click on connect, just as you can see it. If you've watched my video to this point and you found value with my video, please do me a big favor to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave me a thumbs up, ask me questions as many times as possible, and I assure you and I'm going to be responding to your question irrespective of how many times you ask. So then to pop up this message saying connect your wallet. You are connecting to wallet. This is the wallet we use for future services. Do you confirm that you want to use this wallet? I'm just going to come here and click on confirm. So if you've joined SOLIX DePin via the link in my description box, my previous video, or on the Telegram channel, this is just how to connect your wallet, how to verify yourself, and how to be eligible for airdrop. So you see it says here mint verify badge. Mint verify badge. You can go ahead and mint if you want. If you don't, just leave it at such. You've already verified your badge. So if you want to go ahead to mint your badge, that is a badge you verified, you can go ahead and do that, but I am not doing that. I'm just going to come back to my dashboard and let me click on verify again. I'm just going to come back to my dashboard, and you see, because I've already connected my wallet, that's the reason why you are seeing this mint verify badge. If you want to go ahead and mint it, just make sure you have about 0.0012 Ethereum in your Phantom wallet or whatever wallet you decide to use, and then you can go ahead and mint it. I'm not minting, I'm just verifying my badge. So that is just how to verify your badge for your SOLIX DePin projects and get ready for their TGE. So if you have not been actively logging in daily, please start doing that. It's going to help you to have more allocation. So that is all from me for now. See you in another subsequent video. Bye for now.